Imagine stepping back in time, not just a few centuries, but millions of years. What if I told you that the echoes of prehistoric life are all around us, hidden in plain sight? Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to uncover the fossilized remains of ancient creatures and plants, revealing a world so alien, yet so foundational to our own. So, what exactly is a fossil? A fossil is the preserved remains or traces of a once living thing from a past geological age. It's not just giant dinosaur bones, although those are spectacular. It can be a delicate leaf imprint, a tiny shell, or even the footprints an ancient creature left in the mud. These natural time capsules are our only direct window into the deep past, telling us stories of evolution, extinction, and the ever-changing face of our planet. The process of fossilization is a rare miracle. When an organism dies, it usually decomposes completely. But under very specific conditions, it can be preserved. Imagine an ancient fish sinking to the bottom of a lake. If it's quickly buried by sediment, like sand or silt, it's protected from scavengers and decay. Over millions of years, as more layers pile on top, the pressure builds. Water seeps through these layers, carrying dissolved minerals. These minerals gradually replace the organic material of the fish's skeleton, bone by bone, cell by cell, creating a perfect stone replica. This process is called permineralization, and it's how most of the dinosaur bones we see in museums were formed. But there are other amazing ways fossils are made. Sometimes, an organism gets trapped in tree resin, which hardens into amber, preserving it in stunning three-dimensional detail. We found insects, spiders, and even small lizards perfectly encased, as if frozen in time. In other cases, an organism might be frozen in ice, like the woolly mammoths discovered in Siberia with their skin, hair, and even muscles intact. These are incredibly rare finds that give us an unprecedented look at these extinct giants. Fossils aren't just about bones and bodies. Trace fossils, or ichnofossils, are the preserved evidence of an animal's activity. These include fossilized footprints, trackways, burrows, and even fossilized droppings called coprolites. A series of dinosaur tracks can tell us how fast it was moving, whether it was walking or running, and even if it was traveling in a herd. It's like being a detective, piecing together the behavior of creatures that have been gone for millions of years from the clues they left behind. Every fossil discovery is a piece of a giant puzzle. Paleontologists, the scientists who study fossils, use them to understand how life has evolved. By comparing the fossils found in different rock layers, they can create a timeline of life on Earth. They can see how simple, single-celled organisms gave way to complex marine life, how fish evolved to walk on land, how dinosaurs rose and fell, and how mammals eventually came to dominate the planet. Fossils provide the critical evidence for the theory of evolution, showing the gradual changes in species over immense spans of time. These echoes of the past also teach us about ancient environments. Finding a fossil of a marine reptile in the middle of a desert tells us that area was once a vast ocean. Fossilized pollen and leaves can reveal what the climate was like. Was it a tropical jungle or a cool forest? By studying these clues, we can reconstruct entire lost worlds, complete with their unique flora and fauna. So, the next time you see a fossil in a museum, remember the incredible journey it has taken. It's a story of life, death, and incredible luck, a message from a world long gone. The study of fossils is a constant reminder of our planet as deep history and our own place within the grand, unfolding story of life. Thanks for joining me on this prehistoric adventure. If you are fascinated by these ancient stories, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the wonders of the past. See you next time.